Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to flip and rotate your picture with only your iPhone without any editing applications. So if you know that your iPhone already have these applications whenever you get the phone, so here's the default application that already appear on your phone, which is the photo library. And to do a basic editing, you can only use this photo library and explore the features to get them. You just need to click it to open it, and after that you just need to choose the picture that you want to flip or rotate. And whenever you got it, you just need to go click it until there will be appear here the options or informations where you got it, and then the time that you got it, and there will be also an edit and three small dots. And now to flip and rotate this picture, you just need to go click edit. And now to flip, you just need to jump into this down button over here. There will be like 3 button here, so you just need to jump into this part. And after that, let's take a look on the left upper corner here. To flip this picture, you just need to click the first tool, and you can see now this is the picture whenever after you flip it, and this is the original picture. So to flip, just need to go click it, and to rotate your photo, you just need to go click this second button over here and got the best positions that you want. So that's the way how to flip and rotate your picture only with your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.